You having to consider sending your own children overseas to try and complete their education, because if it comes back later rather than sooner, they are the generation who'll have lost out.
As a father, it is my responsibility to provide them the best education. The best one can have, especially to girls. But as a citizen of Afghanistan, it is also my responsibility to have my own country ready for educating girls in our own environment, in our own culture, in our own historical perspective, in our own languages. If I take my daughter out abroad, it will mean that we have given up on this right.
What is everyday life like for you? Do you have the freedom to leave your home in Kabul?
No, not without letting the Taliban authorities know that I'm leaving somewhere, and then if they agree, they provide the security and the escort to take me there.